Confused about using Python within Dreamweaver? Let's explore this interesting development marriage. Dreamweaver is fantastic for front-end web development, while Think HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It excels at helping you visually build and manage your website's structure and appearance. Python, however, typically handles the server side. It's the powerhouse language behind dynamic websites, databases, and complex logic. This divide presents a hurdle. Dreamweaver doesn't directly execute Python code. Dreamweaver is primarily geared towards client-side scripting. It can only understand and render HTML, CSS, and JavaScript natively, so directly embedding Python scripts within a Dreamweaver HTML file simply won't work. The solution: keep them separate. Your Python code lives on your server. Dreamweaver helps you build a front-end that communicates with that server. Use technologies like AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript, and XML, and a fetch API to send requests from your Dreamweaver-built website to your Python server. Imagine this: your Dreamweaver site has a form. When the user submits it, JavaScript code created and managed in Dreamweaver sends that form data to your Python server. The Python server processes the information using Flask or Django, updates a database, then sends data back to the Dreamweaver frontend for display. A great alternative is platforms that support both front and backend natively. Consider using like VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. These platforms are designed for full-stack development. To conclude, while Dreamweaver cannot directly run Python, you can create dynamic web applications by building the front end in Dreamweaver and linking it to a Python-driven backend through APIs.